morning, Miss. Good morning, friends. Let me introduce myself. My name is Jayson. I am grade 1 from Penuai, Indonesia Primary School. Today, I want to do firework in a jar experiment. Let's check it out. To start our experiment, let's prepare the materials and tools. Tools that we need: jar, small bowl, tablespoon, and fork. For materials that we need: vegetable oil and food coloring. Let's start. First, value of jar: 3/4 of the way with warm water. In your small bowl, add 3 or 4 tablespoons of vegetable oil. One, 2, 3, 4. Add a few drops of food coloring to the oil. Sini. Ini nggak mau masuk. Pikir-pikir. Nih. You can take your fork and make it become smaller droplet. Jangan ngebunyi tuh. Kita ngomongin pelan aja, pelan. Ya, tuh. Udah. If you can see the food coloring hidden mix with the oil, because the drops of color are made of water. Therefore, they are denser than the oil. So, this is going to be our firework. Now take your firework mixture and gently pour into your jar. Let's see what happened. Since the oil is less than water, it will float on top, and the food coloring is ever so slightly denser than the water. That's why they fall to the bottom of the glass. It will leaving the colorful trails and begin the self. Thank you for watching. Bye. Titi. Loh. Tapi kok ini kayak gini? Kan